roof doesn't just cause water damage, it halts operations, wrecks equipment, eats into your budget. Most failures are preventable, and they start small. Seam separations, cracked membranes, poor drainage, one heavy rain, and you're facing ponding water, saturated insulation, and costly shutdowns. Bad installs, thermal movement, and constant UV exposure accelerate leaks, rust, and insulation rot. And rush repairs with the wrong materials, they usually make things worse. But here's the good news. Facility managers across the country are stopping leaks before they start with a professional flat roof restoration system. It begins with a deep clean and surface prep. Then seams and penetrations are reinforced. And finally, a seamless liquid-applied membrane is installed, locking out water and protecting your building for decades. No leaks, no ponding, no surprise expenses. Just a long-lasting, energy-efficient system backed by warranty. Don't wait for failure. Restore and protect your flat roof before it costs you more. Click below for a no-cost restoration estimate from a local pre-vetted installer today.